Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I hope you're ready for an exciting weekend. I am coming on today to do a Dollar Tree haul. I went in and they have all the new Halloween stuff out. I didn't get a chance to do a video just because I've been sick and I'm still trying to recover from being sick. So anyway, I wanted to show you what I picked up from Dollar Tree. So let's jump right on in. What you're looking at right here is a super cute wooden sign from Dollar Tree. It says beware, and it is glittered. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's very sparkly. It has a little hanger up here, and I like to decorate for Halloween, and I plan on embellishing this a little bit further with a really pretty bow, and then I'll be able to hang it somewhere in my house. So I really like that Dollar Tree find right there. You can't beat that for $1. I mean, it's a wooden sign, so super cute. And if you're wondering, it measures, it's almost 24 inches. I'm just guessing, but it's a nice size sign. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up some home decor fall items, and I picked up these really pretty pumpkins, and they have these glittered leaves on them, and then it has like the leaf on top, and I just thought they were really pretty. So I picked up 2 of these, or actually I picked up 3. There's another one, really pretty. And then I'm sorry, the sun is so bright right now, you guys. I also picked up these 2 pumpkins right here, and they have like little bits of what are those, bugle beads, and it just looks so pretty. So I'm going to use these for decoration, either for table decor or somewhere in the kitchen. I don't know, I'm going to use it somewhere in my house. I haven't decided just yet. So I picked up some of these, and of course they're all $1. My next really cute fun find, let me just move these pumpkins off to the side. I picked up these 2 keychains, and I just thought these were super cute, and I could include them with maybe some Happy Mail. But it's a little canvas shoe, and I just, oh my gosh, I love Converse, and I have a pair of white Converse that I always wear for baseball. But I just thought these were so cute, and it's like a little high top Converse keychain. So I got this in silver. And then I also picked up the pink one, and they had one in blue, like a blue glitter, but I didn't get that one. I just got these 2, and I just thought these were really cute. And I'm gonna probably just keep one for myself and then give one away. But how super cute is that? So that's a cute find there. And then I picked up a few little more Halloween things. Excuse me. I picked up some of these Halloween rings, and I always pick these up around Halloween because they're fun to take apart and use on crafting projects. So that's a fun find there. And you need to pick them up early because this stuff sells out quick. I mean, people are crazy about Dollar Tree, you guys. And then I picked up a couple of these owls, and I love putting these in my boo baskets. If you haven't seen my boo basket video, I will link it in the description box below or at the end of the video. Definitely check it out because I show you how I create my boo baskets at Halloween. It's super fun and fun to gift. And the fun thing about these owls is that they light up, and they sell them every year. I always pick them up, and they're fun to put in your kitchen or home decor if you decorate for Halloween because they glow. You can see that. Super cute, right? And they're fun when you put them in your boo baskets because when you leave it on your neighbor's porch, it's just glowing because you're supposed to do it at nighttime. So anyway, fun. I picked up a couple of those, and then this year they had some new ones. They had these like glittered pumpkins that also light up, and this one changes colors. How cool is that? So I picked up one of these, and I probably will go back and get a few more, but I just thought that was super cute. So I had to get at least one of those. And then I picked up this, and this is a skull, and look, it even claps. Look at that. How fun is that? And this one also lights up. I have to take the little thing out, but this one has red eyes. And so I have a girlfriend who last year she threw an amazing Halloween party, and she had some of these on her table setting on the plates, and they were just glowing. It was so awesome. They have a farm, and she did an amazing table decor setup, but I just thought, how super cool is that? So I had to get some of these. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. Thanks